Is your seed drawer a hot mess? Well, mine is. And maybe you have some friends you want to give some seeds to. Maybe you just want to organize your drawer a little bit better. Maybe you just are snowed in like I am and you want something to do. We are going to organize our seed drawer today. So I have spent these winter months illustrating some beautiful flowers for my yard. And I am so excited because these turned out really great. Let me show you the pictures. Here's basically how it works. I grow the flowers, I paint the flowers, and then I get to make pretty stuff from the flowers. These are some of my sweet Mademoiselle roses from the garden. This one is a knockout rose. Some lovely primroses from the garden as well. We've got some cute butterflies. I turned those into the cutest little seed packets. So let me show you what we're gonna do with them. This is what they look like right now. I have an excess of seeds, so I'm going to make some little galantines and just some little seed packets to have on hand so I can give to my friends. So we'll do a seed saving video later, but one of the first things you need to do, save your seeds. The most important part is making sure that they're really, really dry before you put them in a bag or into an envelope. I lay mine out on cookie sheets in my kitchen or in my dining room. They always end up in the dining room because who uses the dining room? And I will dry them and then bag them up. I am going to be printing extras of these so that I have them. My friend, Chi-Ming, Coastal Homestead, you need to go find her on Instagram, and she's on YouTube too. But Chi-Ming was posting this awesome, have you seen this before? This is a really fun way to store all of your seeds. So this is what I'm gonna be putting mine in. I started sorting everything into categories, and then I can go through and label this. And my cute daughter has already started putting some of them into bags for me. And then I kind of have a better handle on how many I need to keep because I do not need this many zinnia seeds. I will never plant them all. I hoard them every year. I've got some vegetable seeds. I will be growing a lot more vegetables this year. So that's exciting. I'm excited to do that. So I have all my seeds ready to go. This thing is so great. You can carry it around in the garden. I can bring it down here into the art studio, take it back upstairs, take it outside. And I've got all my stuff in one place. I also have in here all of my fungus gnat traps for inside the house. And I keep my little houseplant tags. These are all the Proven Winners Leaf Joy collection of plants that I have all around because I'm a little bit obsessed. So I keep those all in here in one place too. And now I know where they are. They used to just be thrown in my drawer. It was a hot mess and I didn't like it very much. When you print these off, they come two to a page so that you're not wasting any paper, and they're really quick to cut out. It's a super fun project to do with kids as well. They can save their seeds and then label their favorite seeds, give them to grandma. You can pass them on to your neighbors. I'm lucky enough I have awesome neighbors who also love gardening, so I'm planning to give a few of these away. Once I have everything all cut out, I will take this nifty little scoring board that I have and I score the edges. I'll put my paper down and line it up, and then there's this handy little scoring tool, and I score all of the edges so that it folds really easily. You don't have to do that. These all have a little tiny mark on the corner. We call them crop marks. These aren't actually, these are more of like your scoring marks on the corner. I like to always start with this tab right here, the longest tab. So I'll fold that one first, and then I'll fold this to match it, and then the other two just kind of fold up on top. And then I like a glue stick to glue those down, and I glue them in the same order. Then I leave this top open until I'm ready to put all my seeds inside. The great thing about these, you can print as many as you want. You could make them teeny tiny if you wanted to do cute little, I don't know, doll-sized ones or something weird. Seems like it'd be fun to do mini ones. The file also comes with a print and cut file. So if you're bougie and you're crafty and you have an electronic die cut machine, you can use that as well because there are ping files included. So there's a JPEG that has all the cut lines for you. So you can print and cut that one. Or you can upload it into your favorite software and cutting machine and use that to cut it as well. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe and join me here for next time. Oh, such a mess.